welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, as you can tell from the title, and my background has changed. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so we're gonna go ahead and we're the host, so I wanted to decorate my house and put up my Christmas tree and just make it look really festive for the holidays. I absolutely love the holidays. I'm one of those people that thinks it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I'm very grateful for everything. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving and hope that you guys are spending it with your family. I am extremely grateful to be able to host, and I'm grateful for the people that are coming over tomorrow, because I know that, you know, there's a lot of people out in the streets, in hospitals, that will not be, you know, spending, or just out of town, and they won't be able to spend Thanksgiving with their families. You know, one of the biggest blessings and one of the things to be thankful for, aside all the materialistic stuff, is, you know, just being with our families and having health, and wake up with nothing hurting, with not having to take anything, or, you know, any pain whatsoever. So I'm extremely grateful for that. Today's unboxing is going to be from Quay, Australia. I wasn't really gonna do an unboxing on this, I just bought it, but when I was looking into buying this item, I was kind of like, I was looking through YouTube and I couldn't find anything at all for this item. Now, Quay, Australia, of course, is famous for their sunnies. I remember when I got my first pair like a few years ago, my first pair was the, not the high key, they were called My Girl, and there were these big blue like bumblebee glasses, and they were so pretty. And it was a long time ago when this company was barely starting out. Obviously, we know now that, you know, this company is huge. They have Desi Perkins. I know Jaclyn Hill just came out with a collection. Kylie did a collection with them. So and now apparently they're doing accessories. So they've come a long way. All right, so without further ado, I've opened the box to save time. And as I open it, I already see like some really good, well, some very nice wrapping. It has this right here, and this is what I was talking about. They're promoting the Jaclyn Hill collaboration. And then this is the item that I got. It says Quay, Australia, things just got shady, Priscilla. So, all right, okay, so very, very nice packaging. There's some more stuff. And ooh, look at that. Look at the box. I love a good packaging. Packaging is really important, just because I think that, you know, it's what represents a company. So I think, you know, a lot of people don't, I think it's very important to have good packaging. So look at that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put the box aside. Whoa. And here's the item. This is called the red camera bag. And I'll tell you a little story. So I want a red bag. To be specific, I want a red Gucci Soho disco bag. However, I don't know if I'm willing, you know, that bag is super expensive. Sorry, let me just show you and then I'll explain my reasoning. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I know it's called a camera bag. Oh my gosh, look at the details right there. There. Okay. So just take out so you guys can see how big this is. Okay, it looks like you can fit an iPhone in here. It's a little bit bigger. So it's kind of hard to close. Whoa. Okay, so it's kind of hard to close, but yeah. Okay, so there it is. Okay, and there's, it looks like a lot of things could fit in here. And what I liked most that I saw on the website, go ahead and put that up, is this guitar strap. Let me go ahead and open it. This is what I liked the most. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it and then hook it on. Okay, so the story behind this is that I really want a red bag. I really want a Gucci Soho disco bag in red. But you know, obviously that's like $1,000 already with the Gucci price increases, and I might get it. But I wanted to buy a red bag and kind of test out to see how much I would wear it and if I would wear a red bag. You know, I don't have any red bags, so I wanted to buy one to see if I would actually like wear it often. And so this one, I think this retails for, let me see if it says here. Oh, it doesn't say there. No. Okay, so this bag, I think it retails for like $60. And Quay Australia has these sales on Fridays. So 2 Fridays ago, they had a sale and this was $29. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I have been eyeing it. So there it is. And I was really like, do I need another bag? Like, do I really need another bag? But for $29 and you know, I'm gonna be able to wear it. It looks like it's a really good quality. And so I went ahead and bought it. I got it right away. I got it I ordered it on a Friday. It was here by like Wednesday, I think. And so their service has just been outstanding. That's why I got it. I wasn't originally gonna do this unboxing, but since I didn't find any videos when I was eyeing this bag, maybe it'll help someone out there who's deciding. But so far, first impressions, it looks like it fits a lot of stuff. It looks like an iPhone can fit in there. I don't know if it's like a real camera bag or if they call it the camera bag, but either way, like for me, it's gonna be like a regular handbag and not a camera bag because I don't carry cameras around. I'm good with just my iPhone, but it looks really nice, look at that. And I really like the guitar strap, so I wanted to wear this like crossbody. That's what it looks like on me. It matches my shirt that I'm wearing right now pretty well. But yeah, that's my unboxing, my first impressions. I really like it and I can't wait to wear it. So I'm gonna wear it and see, you know, how often I wear it. And hopefully this will help me determine whether I should get a Gucci Soho Disco, should I take the plunge or not? Or maybe this might just be enough, like, oh, I already have this, why do I need another one? All right, well, that concludes my unboxing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous Thanksgiving with your families. Take care of each other, be thankful, God bless, and have a good day. Bye-bye.